Do you know what really makes the difference between a band 6.5 essay and a band 8 essay in IELTS writing task 2? Most students think it's about using fancy vocabulary. But the truth is, examiners look at something much deeper. In this lesson on Learn IELTS with Mr. H, I'll take you step by step through a real IELTS essay. Show you the structure, build it together, and finally, explain why it deserves band 8. Here is today's question. In many countries, smoking is now illegal in public places. Many people believe that such a ban is justified. Do you agree or disagree? This is a classic opinion essay where you must take a clear stand. Before writing, let's quickly revise the structure we'll use. This essay will divide into 4 paragraphs. First one is going to be an introduction, where we will paraphrase the question, we'll give our opinion, and mention 2 supporting ideas. Main body paragraph 1 is going to be the topic sentence, explanation, and one example. It goes the same for main body paragraph 2. And the last paragraph is going to be the conclusion, where you are going to restate your opinion and summarize your ideas. This structure is simple, clear, and examiner friendly. Now it's time for us to pen down. So let's fill the structure with content for our smoking ban essay. Introduction. In introduction, we are going to write paraphrase of the question statement. We are also going to put our opinion and 2 ideas to support our opinion. So here is the one. Smoking has been prohibited in public areas such as restaurants, hospitals, and parks in several nations, and this policy has received strong public support. This is the paraphrase. Now we are going to put across our opinion. I completely agree with this. This is our opinion. But to justify our opinion, we need to put across 2 ideas. These 2 ideas are going to be, because it not only protects non-smoker from passive smoking, but also encourages smokers to quit. This completely fulfills the requirement of the IELTS. So keep it simple, straightforward, and do not leave anything gloomy. Now, main body paragraph 1. The main reason why smoking should be banned in public place is to protect people from second-hand smoke. Passive smoking is equally harmful as active smoking, yet non-smokers have no control over avoiding it if people smoke near them. For example, when Ireland introduced a ban on smoking in all indoor workplaces, there was a noticeable decline in the respiratory diseases among the bar and restaurant staff. Now moving on to body paragraph 2. Another significant benefit of such ban is that they motivate smokers to reduce or even quit smoking. When smoking is prohibited in public places, smokers often feel excluded or pressured to give up the habit. In fact, surveys have shown that many ex-smokers mention smoking ban as one of the main factors that pushes them to quit. In conclusion, I believe that banning smoking in public place is a justified law because it protects people from passive smoking and also motivates smokers to stop their harmful habit. And that's our full essay. 4 clear paragraphs, 2 strong reasons and examples to support them. Notice how nothing is overcomplicated, just clear, logical, and well developed ideas. Now the big question, why is this a band 8 essay? Let's check it against the IELTS band descriptors. First one is task response. The essay directly answers the question, gives a clear agree position, and support it with extended ideas and strong examples. Coherence and cohesion. The flow is logical, linking words are natural, and each paragraph develops only one idea. That's exactly what examiners want. Lexical resource. The vocabulary is precise and academic. Words like prohibited, regulation, respiratory, diseases, discourage, harmful habits, no repetition, no overuse of basic words. The last element of band descriptor is grammar range and accuracy. Sentences are complex but controlled. For example, when Ireland introduced a ban on smoking, there was a noticeable decline. This variety with accuracy is what pushes it to a band 8 territory. Final assessment. So task response 8, coherence and cohesion 8, vocabulary 8 and grammar 8. Overall, this essay is a clear band 8 essay. And remember, band 8 writing isn't about fancy words. It's about clarity, relevance and precision. Now I'll take the same essay but rewrite it at a band 6.5 level. That's where you will clearly see the difference between a good essay and a great one. Let me reiterate question. In many countries, smoking is now illegal in public places. Many people believe that such a ban is justified. Do you agree or disagree? Structure remains the same. Let's see. On the left hand side, you have an introduction of band 8 essay, and on the right hand side shows band 6.5 essay. Smoking in public places has been stopped by law in many countries. Some people think this rule is right, and I agree with them. This is because it helps protect people from secondhand smoke and also makes smokers think about quitting. It clearly shows how uh, the choice of words are different and how this conveys the information. Let's do same for main body paragraph 1. For 6.5 band essay, let's hear it out. The first reason why smoking should not be allowed in public places is because it can harm other people. When people smoke in public, others around them also breathe in that smoke, which can cause diseases like lung cancer. If there is a ban, people will be safe from this danger. For example, when smoking was banned in a restaurant, workers there became more healthy and happy. This clearly shows that the weightage in the arguments, how convincing band 8 essay explanation and example compared to band 6.5 essay. Main body paragraph 2. Another reason why this law is good is that it can make smokers stop smoking. If they cannot smoke in many places, they will smoke less or may give up. This is because they will feel uncomfortable going outside all the time to smoke. For example, many smokers do not like being separated from others, and some of them stop smoking after such bans. The last paragraph. In conclusion, I believe that making smoking illegal in public places is a good idea because it helps to protect people's health and also helps smokers to stop this bad habit. And that's the band 6.5 version. Same topic, same structure, but simpler vocabulary, less developed ideas, and shorter examples. When it comes to band 6.5 task response, opinion is clear and relevant, but the arguments are not developed deeply. Whereas ideas are basic, helps protect people. Smokers will stop without strong explanation of evidence. When it comes to coherence and cohesion, paragraphing is okay and ideas are connected. But if you have noticed, linking words are repetitive because, if, when. Sentences are short, flow feels mechanical. It doesn't sound natural to the reader. That is where students lose the score. Natural writers are always appreciated by the examiners. And you should not do it just for the IELTS. Once you become the natural writers, it will help you to write naturally better in your real life. That means email communication, or you may end up writing your own assignments, theses. So, being a natural writer and uplift your own standard is always advisable, and consider IELTS is an opportunity for you to become the better writer. Let's talk about lexical resources. Vocabulary is correct but limited and repetitive. Words like ban, smoke, people, good appear often, they are repeatedly used. No advanced or precise expression such as prohibited, regulation, respiratory diseases. These kind of words are missing. The last bit is grammar. Mostly accurate, but simple sentence structures dominate in the essay of 6.5 band. A few awkward phrases such as workers, they become, more healthy and happy. Also, limited use of complex sentences. Complex sentences, though words sound complex, but it is definitely not the complex. So, you can clearly see the difference. The Band 8 essay sounds natural, precise, and developed. The Band 6 essay sounds clear but simple, with limited vocabulary and examples. If you want to reach Band 8, focus on developing your ideas and choosing precise words. This is Learn IELTS with Mr. H. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others preparing for IELTS writing. See you in the next lesson.